You're passing the same prop down through 10 components, and 8 of them don't even use it.
Congratulations, you've discovered prop drilling.
That misery is the provider pattern's entire reason to exist. Wrap your component tree once, and any component, at any depth, just reaches in and grabs what it needs. No more threading props through middlemen who don't care. You already use it, every Redux store, every theme toggle, React router. Stay. JS Patterns. Episode 11. Here's the pain. Your app has some data. Way down the tree, a list item, a header, and some text all need it. So you pass data into SideBar, which hands it to list, which finally hands it to ListItem.
SideBar and list never use data. They're just couriers.
And the day you rename that prop, you're editing 6 files that were only holding it for someone else. This is prop drilling, and it scales about as well as it sounds. The provider pattern fixes it. You create a context, wrap your component tree in its provider, and hand it the data once. Now any component, at any depth, pulls that data straight out with useContext. The middlemen go back to doing nothing. The data teleports past them, no props, no threading, no edit 6 files to rename one thing. Here's the code. createContext gives you a context object with a provider. You wrap the tree, dataContext.provider, value equals data, around your components. Then, deep down, ListItem just calls useContext of dataContext and reads data.ListItem.
No props came down the tree. The component reaches up and grabs it.
That is the entire pattern. And it scales to the thing everyone builds first, theming. Put the theme and a toggle function in one context, wrap the app, and every component styles itself straight from useContext, light or dark, 0 props. Pro move, wrap useContext in your own hook that throws if you forgot the provider so you get a loud, clear error instead of a silent, undefined at 2 in the morning. But here's the catch, and it's a big one. Every component consuming a context re-renders on every single change to it. Put your fast-changing counter in the same context as your theme, and bumping the count re-renders everything reading the theme too.
Context is a teleporter, not a state manager.
The fix? Split it. One provider per concern. Fast values kept away from slow ones. And you already live in this pattern. Redux Provider, React Router, Styled Components ThemeProvider, all the same idea. Wrap the tree, broadcast a value, consume it anywhere.
React shipped createContext, so you rarely even need a library for it.
If a value is truly global, theme, current user, locale, it belongs in a provider, not in a prop. So stop drilling props through components that don't care. Create a context, wrap once, and consume anywhere. Your middlemen will thank you.
Beyond Code Karma.
See you in the next pattern.